Jambo and welcome back to this tutorial. We are going to learn how to create and delete files and directories. From a previous tutorial, we learned about the terminal basics. In this one, I want to start with knowing how to create a folder from the terminal. So we are going to use this same folder where it's images, introduction, recordings, and video output. I want to make a directory. Let me just click here and say new folder. Let's call it the test folder. Clean up. Okay, so this is one of them. I can click and bring it there. This is the beauty about using MacBooks. When I click put in ls, I can see it's added the test folder. I'm going to clear the screen and then navigate into, so I'm going to put a capital T, then tab. It's giving me the test folder, then click enter. If I want to see which directory I'm in, it's the test folder. Clear again. If you do ls, there's nothing in it. So the text command for creating a directory is make directory. It's mkdir, make directory, and then the name of the directory. Here I'm going to put alpha. If we do a list, you see it's alpha, so that's a directory. If we come here and navigate into test, you see there's an alpha directory here, or a folder. I want to navigate into, let's navigate into the alpha directory. Click enter, and then from there I want us to learn the command for creating a file. So let's say we want to create a file called index.html. there's a command called touch. So touch, then the name of the file, so index, then the file extension. Okay, so if we navigate into alpha, you'll see we've created index.html. You can create actually several files at once, so I'm going to use touch, then styles.css. These are file extensions that are used in web programming. So styles.css and app.css. If I click enter, these two files, if I do ls, you see we'll have app.css, index, and styles, which is true. When we navigate to the GUI, graphical user interface, this is what we see. Which leads us next to the next item, which is how to delete a file. Okay, so I'm going to create another file called text.txt. Okay, so when you do ls, this text.txt, I'm going to clear. So I want to delete that text.txt. So the command for that is rm, okay, which stands for remove, and then the file and the extension. If I do ls right now, you see it's gone. It's gone completely. So that's how you remove what is it called, a file. Okay, so the next thing we're going to learn is how to remove several files at once. Let's say I want to remove the styles.css and app.css at once, so it's just rm, then app.css. It actually doesn't matter the order which I put it in, so I can put styles.css and app.css in one line and then click on enter. If I list right now, it's just only index.html remaining. So that's how you remove several files at once using the command line. Next, I'm going to show you how to remove a directory using remove directory command. So I'm going to navigate up, because if I print working directory, I'm in the alpha. I need to navigate up, so that's cd ... Then print working directory, I'm in the test folder. Now if I navigate up here, it's only one folder and I want to delete it. Now see what happens. If I try and remove directory, that's the command. If I try and remove the alpha folder, it's going to tell me directory not empty. This is what I wanted us to know. You can only delete an empty folder. without it being empty, it cannot be deleted. So I'm going to navigate into the alpha folder. Okay, and then remove the file index.html. Then it's empty. Then navigate out. Right, all these commands we are now comfortable with. I'm going to clear. So if I print working directory, I'm in the test directory, clear. Then I'm going to remove directory. Okay, that's how you delete a folder. Remove directory, then alpha. Alternatively, if I don't know how it is spelled, I'll just type A, tab, and it will go autocomplete for me. Then enter. If I list, it's now empty. The test folder is empty. So that's how you remove folders using the remove directory. You can put a number. That's the same way you can remove files. Multiple files is the same way you can remove multiple directory. So that's it from us on how to create and delete files and directories. See you in the next tutorial.